Kizzer, this is Hyatt House.
Yeah.
I don't think you've stayed at a Hyatt House in Dallas, so this is the first time. Are you excited?
Yes.
So this is the lobby of Hyatt House in Irving. And this is Eesa, who just took a 4-hour flight on American Airlines. How was your flight? All right, so this is the Hyatt House in Irving. We have a nice living area, a full kitchen, then the first bedroom with a very old TV. And that's Khiz walking around exploring.
Yeah. Whoa, it's a nice village. You can see. Wait, we can play a good game of hide and seek in here.
All right, he's playing hide and seek, and there's one bathroom.
Keep it open, keep it open. Hey,
The kid seems happy. Alia, what do you think about the room? All right, so we got the kitchen, we got a desk, we got a living room area. I'll back up just to kind of show. Got the fridge, microwave. Now, does it come with plates? Oh yeah, it comes with pots and pans. Boom. And then, does it come with glasses and plates? That's Khiz walking around thinking of playing hide and seek.
Yes.
There's the second TV. Khizzer wished he had one couch. I think he got plenty of couches. And then there is another bedroom. I think this is the master bedroom with its own TV. Mommy did a good job turning on all the TVs. Looks good. And that's his. And then another bathroom. To recap, when you enter the room, there is a master bedroom with a TV. You walk in, you have a full bathroom, you have a shower, and then something that's pretty unusual, even though it looks old, it has a nice walk-in closet. Okay, turn around. Let's walk out of the master bedroom, see what the kids are up to. So 3 TVs in total. That's the second TV. Living room, common area with a nice table, a desk, kitchen, everything that we are not going to use. And there's Khiz.
Eesa.
That's Eesa.
But someone's got to be the first person to do it to realize their body will still go on.
Wait, is this out? Wait, this is your bed. Is this grown-ups?
No, this is Khiz. And Eesa, this is your bedroom. And we're back onto the second bathroom. I have a quick question.
Yeah?
What do you think of this hotel room? Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you have your own bed to jump on?